Hey there, welcome again. In this video, I am going to discuss about a Java code which is unique. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So what makes it so amazing? Unlike most other, this code can allocate, store data in permanent memory. It can create a new file on the hard disk, write data to it, and save it, absolutely permanently. It can then retrieve that data anytime. This is done using the file class. Normally when a program terminates, all the values stored in the variables are lost, and the memory used by the program is released. The JVM, or Java Virtual Machine, keeps track of the variable memory usage. When the code execution ends, the JVM releases the memory automatically. The garbage collector frees up the memory used by objects that are no longer being referenced, which means the data is deleted after termination. But, if the data is saved to a file on the hard disk, it will still be available even after the program has ended. Note: to run this I have used jdoodle.com as online Java compiler. But it's better to execute this in a programming software, like BlueJ on your computer, rather than online platforms. What does this code do? This code creates a new file called example.txt, using the file class and writes the text input by user to it using a FileWriter object. It then saves the file by closing the FileWriter. To retrieve the contents of the file, the code creates a buffered reader object and reads the contents of the file into a string variable. It then closes the buffered reader to free up resources and displays the contents of the file to the console. Also, make sure you handle exceptions appropriately in your code. So, here's the code. Wait, before that, have you liked or subscribed? If not, please do it for early updates. Start typing the code in Java. Pause and write this code in Java. After finishing, execute it. Make sure there are no errors. So what are the essential lines? Most important lines in this code are: Number 1. Scanner input equals new scanner, system.in, creates a scanner object to read user input. Number 2. File equals new file, example.txt, creates a new file object with the name, example.txt. Number 3. FileWriter equals new FileWriter, file, creates a FileWriter object to write to the file. Number 4. Write, user input, writes user input to the file. Number 5. Buffered reader equals new buffered reader, new file reader, file, creates a new buffered reader object to read from the file. Number 6. String contents equals, initializes a string variable to store the contents of the file. Number 7. Contents plus equals line, appends a line of text to the contents variable. Number 8. System.out, println, contents, prints the contents of the file to the console. This program is fully executable. I have personally made it. Like and subscribe. That's it for today. Until next time.